All right, here's another one. I'm going to change this question just a little bit, and I'll make note of that. I'll put 0% here and 100% here. During a basketball tournament Justin attempted a total of 40 shots, and he made 18. He says he made 40% of the shots he took. Is Justin correct? Prove it by showing your work. So what I'm going to do is put my variable on the percent because we don't know for sure what percent he made. So I'm going to put that as my question. That's the thing that I'm solving for. And I'm going to put 40 shots as the total. That was the total number of shots he took. 100% represents the total. Now, how many did he make? He made 18 shots. I've got shots across from shots, mystery percent across from percent, and I'm going to set up my proportion. Okay, so again, bat and ball, multiply the bat, divide by the ball. So 18 times 100, well, that's going to be 1,800, and I'm going to divide by 40. So 4 times 40 is 160, and 5 times 40 is 200. So he thinks he made 40%. Is he correct? No. He made 45% of the shots that he took.